Today we're gonna be rating Roblox YouTubers' desk setups. You're probably asking yourself, why are you qualified to do this? Well, because I said so. Plus, I've been in the IT industry for about 10 or 15 years now, and I'm a big tech person. I know my things, okay? So we're gonna be rating a couple of different YouTubers. We're gonna base it off 3 categories for an overall score. The categories are gonna be the cleanliness, like how clean their setup is. Did somebody leave chips on their keyboard? Are their cables just everywhere and knots and not out of sight and clean? We're gonna be doing the tech and the lighting. Like, how techy is your guest setup? Do you have a lot of cool things, or are you using a potato mic? And then of course we've got the personality and uniqueness category, which basically just, you know, shows their personality within their setup, and not just blank walls everywhere with nothing except for things like, you know, on the floor or something like that. We're gonna actually start off with Russo's desk setup, so let's go ahead and give it a watch, shall we?
Who is it?
It's your wife.
And NightFoxx, I'm here too.
What do you want?
To see your setup.
Basically what she said.
Why didn't you tell me?
Okay, we're gonna look at. Oh my God!
This up and make it nice and pretty. No.
No, you didn't, Russo. You didn't at all. Oh my God!
Be as authentic and real as possible.
Okay, so I can give it to you, man.
So here we got the books. Okay.
Okay, so we're looking to see. You got some stuff here.
Manga. We have these sound panels.
Oh my Lord, he's got sound panels, but they're all on the floor. Also, looks like a bottle cap right there. What is that? Is it a water bottle cap? I see a play button. I see some anime stuff. We got some pop figurines. We got, looks like Mewtwo there. I think that is probably Charmander down there. He actually does have a Pokemon channel as well, so this actually kind of makes sense, but you gotta put these up, man. You gotta put them up.
The wall, but I didn't do that yet, so we'll do that at some point. Over here we have.
Oh my God. He also has, he's got a duster in there, but I can guarantee it probably hasn't been used. He's got his play buttons down there. You gotta at least hang those up on the wall, my guy. Like the one here, like I've got one there. I thought it would look cool on a shelf. Obviously it looks cool on a shelf as well. But dude, on the floor, what are you're like, I almost feel like he's doing this on purpose.
I also have this drum set you guys saw on the way in that I can't really play.
Like, it's in his office. It's a little weird, but you know, maybe it's like a double formed like man cave / office, and that's kind of where he has to go. Like I said, when you got kids, you kind of get confined to a single space for all of your hobbies. So yeah, that's probably what that is. All right, let's continue on. So now we're getting to the juicy stuff.
The gamer throne.
Yes.
The secret lab chair.
Secret lab.
Sponsored, but
secret lab. That's actually, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have a secret lab chair as well. Now, Secret Lab actually makes some of the most comfortable chairs. They're highly durable. I actually have been through like 4 gaming chairs, and I've ripped apart every single one because, I mean, let's be honest, I'm a pretty big boy. This one has actually stood the test of time. I actually recommend, it's a little bit more on the expensive side, but it is worth it because you actually spend more money replacing chair after chair versus getting one that's just a premium quality. So yes, highly recommend. Great job, Russo.
Comfortable. Look at me. Look at how much comfort I have. I have the Logitech G502
Lightspeed wireless mouse. Good mouse.
I prefer all wireless products because
I actually have a wireless mouse as well.
Sometimes
a lot of people actually think wired is better, but technology has gotten so good these days that you can't really tell the difference anymore between a wireless mouse and a wired mouse. The only like weird thing is like you have to change the batteries in the wireless mouse. They can randomly cut out on you, but they've actually changed that a little bit with like some people coming out with like mouse pads that will charge your mouse as long as your mouse is on that mouse pad. So you don't even have to worry about that anymore. So yeah, it looks like he's also got a Logitech keyboard. So they're together. That's good.
Controller, but as you can see,
oh, he's got a blue. Wait. So, I also have a blue controller that I use for specifically playing Rocket League.
My setup is free of tons of wires, and I really like no wires on my desk.
Oh man, the cable management. It's so bad, man. It's so bad. Russo, please, to God, please fix that.
This is one of my favorite things ever. It's the Go.
Okay, great
XLR.
A great audio mixer.
Audio amp mixer. I'm not a technical.
No, you got it perfect. Audio mixer. That's what that is.
Over here, I have my wireless headphones. Again, I love wireless stuff.
This is the Logitech wireless Logitech
Gamer Series headphones.
Got a Logitech boy.
What they're called.
Like it?
Matches your hair.
It matches his whole thing is blue. Like he's blue hair. You got the blue crew, all that kind of stuff. Everything in his setup has like a blue theme going, which is actually really nice to see.
And your watch.
Oh yeah, my hair's blue. Did you guys know that? And my controller.
His watch and his controller and his phone. Oh my god, dude.
And over here, I have my double monitor setup. As you can see, my my desktop.
Oh my god, dude. Okay, listen to me. Listen. You can right click. All right, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna make my setup. This is what my setup would look like if I didn't have all these stuff in the folders. I took everything out just so I could use this as an example. First off, I've got fences, which means I can just roll up everything into this. But what you can also do, Russo, if you don't feel like doing that, just right click. All right, go to view. And then where it says show desktop icons, unclick that. And then it's boom, where my icons go, it's gone, it's clean.
I also have a third monitor over here that I don't even use.
Nice.
Not sure why that's there.
Interesting.
But I do have it. So both of these monitors
plug it up, please.
Acer Predators.
All right, so you got two 28-inch Acer Predator monitors. At least they're the same monitor. I see a lot of people that kind of mix and match monitors. It does kind of mess with the cleanliness of things and how, you know, everything kind of comes together. It looks all disjointed. So it's actually nice that you've actually got all the monitors that are the same quality, same size,
Anyway, they're both the
all
same
that stuff.
size. They're both 28-inch monitors. This one is a 144 hertz monitor.
Okay, great.
I'm a gamer. This is my camera right here. It's a
Sony
that's
a nice
A7
camera.
III.
Nice
this
camera.
Is amazing.
Like, Sony actually is really friendly towards YouTubers and people who do face cams. They work with a lot of the Elgato products.
Here I have the Elgato light system. So I have the Elgato ring light.
Yeah, and the key lights. Wow, that's actually really impressive.
Because I can control them with my computer.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things about Elgato is the fact that they're all interconnected with each other. They all talk to each other a lot like the Apple products and stuff do. So I can hook my Elgato key light up to my Elgato Stream Deck, push the button on the Stream Deck, turns it on and off, but they're very, very good products.
The last thing I wanted to show you guys.
Okay.
The most important.
Okay.
This
What is it? Oh, that's nice.
Pokeball replica.
That's nice.
You can press the button and it actually goes to catch a Pokemon.
Okay, so he actually has the Pokeball that actually talks with Pokemon Go. And I actually am friends with Russo on Pokemon Go. I know he plays Pokemon Go a lot. But yeah, that is actually really nice to have. Dude, I'm highly jealous. I wish I had that. All I've got is that one right here.
So
all right, I want to see his other setup over here. What is it? Okay, here we go.
Apple setup.
Okay, it's an Apple setup.
iMac. I literally just got it because look how sleek this thing is. This is the entire computer. Like, and you can put your finger on the fingerprint thing and it'll open. And look, I was watching anime because I'm an anime nerd.
Russo, please tell me you didn't get the Apple computer just to watch anime. Please tell me you do like editing or something on it. Oh God.
Like it or hate it.
Is that it? I think that's everything in the room. I see some nanolights back there.
This is my setup.
He didn't talk about the nanolights, nanoleaf lights.
This microphone, the Shure SM7B.
Ah, there we go. Okay, yes, great mic. It's the mic I actually use as a Shure SM7B. I've actually got two of them because I have multiple people that record with me. All right, so I think that's the end of his setup. I think we can go ahead and give it a rating. He did have a lot of cool items and a lot of the same things as I did. Like he has the same mic as me. He's got the same chair as me. We even got the same Xbox controller. But Russo, don't worry. That's not going to sway my opinion at all. We're going to go ahead and just kind of rate this. So the first category was cleanliness, and oh boy, Russo, oh my God, man, this category is going to kill you, my friend. The wires are everywhere. Need to do some cable management. The stuff on the floor, I saw a little bit of trash. I saw the duster on the floor. You had empty Starbucks drinks. Maybe it was on purpose, but I can't rank your cleanliness category very high because of it. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Tech and lighting though, you know, they got the lighting, you got the nano leafs, which are actually really cool. All the same peripherals are the same brand. You got the blue headphones, which actually goes with your blue, you know, theme going on with all your channel stuff. You really got a good mic. You got the Go XLR. You got the same type of monitors. You've even got another computer. I'm gonna give you like the tech and the lighting an 8. You know, I think you could probably, I've seen some crazier setups and stuff like that, but 8, you definitely did your research. So congratulations on that part. Personality is the last category, and this kind of goes back to the uniqueness factor. I do see a lot of like anime. You got some Pokemon stuff on the shelf behind you, which kind of helps with the personality. You got a drum set in your room, which also helps with your personality. Like I said, with the blue stuff, the blue theme with the XLR and the headphones, and then the colored lighting that I see in your videos, you got the blue behind you, which kind of goes with your theme channel, which helps you a lot. But the blank walls, everything on the floor, I feel like this room still has so much more potential. You got your sound panels still on the ground. I want to rank it high. I can't rank it high, so I'm going to rank it a 5 out of 10. Just simply for that reason. But hey, man, you're doing great. Other than that, I think you just need to spend some time, clean things up, put some things on the wall, and your rating will go up. So overall, out of 5 stars, I'm gonna give it 3 out of 5. So yeah, good job, Russo. All right, so let's go on to the next one. And we're actually gonna look at Terabrite Games setup here. You've got DJ and you got Sabrina, so we're gonna have 2 desk setups probably. We're gonna get to look at both of them. So let's just go ahead and check it out and see how they do.
I'll go through my gaming setup first.
Okay.
This is a Diva ring light, an S2.
Also have an A7. Yeah.
Webcam, but
they're nice. They're crazy nice.
Camera when we used to do music videos because we wanted to make like a cinematic look. Something that is a life changer that I feel like a lot of YouTubers don't know about is the fact that a lot of cameras allow you to buy a
AC adapters. There you go. I actually have one for mine. So mine never runs out of juice. I used to have that problem all the time with an old camera where I'd be mid-recording, the battery would die and I'd lose the face cam recording. It's actually why I quit doing face cam for a long time. But yeah, that I got this on my recent camera. It is a game changer and they're not that expensive either.
Plug it into the wall.
Plug it into the wall.
So I never have to worry about recharging my battery or anything like that. So it's amazing.
Okay, good,
so that's
great.
my camera setup. For my mic, DJ and I, we have both of our audios going to my computer. His desk is right across the room from mine. And his mic actually runs around and comes into my computer.
That is a long XLR cable.
This Fireface UFX Plus.
Okay.
Like I said, we got this because we did music and we still
need to multiply. So that's actually where the Go XLR that Russo has falls apart. And that's why I couldn't have it myself, because it only has 1 mic input, or maybe it has 2. But either way, I needed more than just the 1 or the 2 mic inputs. I needed 3 or 4. So that's why I didn't go with this. Obviously, that's something similar with this. That's why they didn't go with it either. So it makes sense.
My keyboard is a Logitech.
Oh, we got another Logitech, people.
I got this really cool, pretty starlight thing on it. I totally didn't put all this lighting and clean my desk up for this video.
Yeah, it does look clean.
This right here, pop switch. Basically, if I double tap this, it will turn my gaming setup on when I
automated. I have something similar to that. I have mine hooked up to Apple HomeKit though, so I can just be like, "Hey Siri, turn off all the lights in my gaming office." Okay. There you go.
This is a Gemini
oh my god, that
awesome.
Light is insane.
But usually I have this light right here next to my desk and aiming at the ceiling, and then the
jeez, I bet it gets so hot in that office. Okay, so I'm seeing a little bit of cable management needing to happen. Boom, there, right there. See, a little bit of cable management was done. I'll give it to you. I know it's hard when you have that much equipment to keep things nice and neat. There's a lot of planning involved, and if something messes up, oh my god, it kills your cable management to try to fix. But at least an attempt was made. I'll give it to you.
We have a Titan RTX as our graphics card in there.
Okay.
We started editing on this computer for the RBbattles Championship. And then for our microphones, we both use the Shure SM7B.
Yeah, SM7B gang again. Dude,
really
everybody
nice.
has these mics.
These speakers are Adam A7X speakers. They're great.
Good God, look at those speakers. Those are massive. Jeez.
And over here, I have my 100,000 followers.
Oh, she had to rub that in my face. Dude, I still got like 20,000 more. Hey, follow me on Roblox, please. And thank you.
A bamboo plant that my sister just got me for my birthday.
Nice.
She said I remind her of bamboo.
Weird, but okay.
And if you go right across from my desk.
Okay, can I just say, I love how EJ's whole area is green. Her whole area is purple. That goes on with their color schemes. And Russo's was blue. This is all the color scheme thing is on point. Good job, guys.
Desk, which is Green Man's desk.
Yeah, Green Man. Oh my God.
And this was actually our editing PC. Like we were editing it in another room, and we moved it out here.
Dude, look at that computer. That thing is a beast.
So it's now his computer.
I love the RG. I love
this computer so
much. Look at the
RAM,
man.
DJ, look at.
Oh, she likes it too.
That amazing RAM. I don't know.
Dude,
why
that
I
RAM is insane. I love that. Cool. That's cool.
So DJ has an RTX 2080 Ti in this computer.
Okay, nice.
How much?
I've got one of those.
In here? 128 gigs.
That's a lot of RAM. That's a lot of RAM. He's got like double what I've got.
But like I said, we were editing the championship on here, and it handled it very well. Also, DJ has the Stream Deck, which he has kindly.
He's got it big. Oh, okay, that's nice. He's got it the same as the background.
He went the extra mile for this
That's
video.
pretty cool, dude.
Good. And then a G910 for his keyboard.
More Logitech.
And then he's special. He gets a wireless charging mouse pad.
That's what I was talking about earlier. The wireless charging mouse pad. It charges this wireless wireless mouse.
Our Bloxy award.
Okay, we're just gonna skip that. Good job, guys. That's amazing. I'm so jealous. Look, dude, it looks like a legit trophy. So my God.
Also at DJ's desk, we have a cool drum set, because why not? No, DJ's a drummer.
More drums, dude.
Really great at drums.
All right, so that's the end of that tour as well. I gotta say, I absolutely loved the setup. Love it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cleanliness. Again, it's not as bad as Russo's was. There was a little bit of cable management, not a lot. It did look like it was still pretty messy, but not as much as, like, I wouldn't give it a 2. I'd probably give it like a 6. I think a 6 is a good one. It's not like pristine where everything is lined up, but you did see where they actually did put a little bit of effort into it. The tech and the lighting, I mean, my God, there's so many things going on there. They had like crazy light setups. Everything was like color coded. They had that was coming from opposite sides of the room into a big audio interface, double computers. And I don't know if you know this or not, but like Linus Tech Tips, I didn't show it in the video. Maybe they haven't got it yet. But for RBbattles, I think season 3, they actually ordered like a $10,000 computer, which was insane.
We don't do many commission builds, but when Terabrite reached out telling me that they needed an absolute, zero compromises, top of the line machine for Roblox.
All of that I saw, I'm gonna give it a 9. Like I said, it's not the best I've ever seen, which would constitute as a 10, but it's pretty dang close. And then like personality, the uniqueness of it, everything was color coded. DJ even took the time to like keep the setups the same, and like his background was the same as his Stream Deck background. Sabrina had her like plants and stuff, so it gave a little bit more of a personality besides just like, you know, just tech stuff, and that was it. So I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7. So when I add all of that together and you give it out 5 stars, I'm gonna give it a 4 stars out of 5 stars. I think that was a great setup. Anyway, we just rated the RBbattles host desk setups, and I think it went pretty well. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future. If you have a favorite Roblox YouTuber that's done a desk setup before, leave their name in the comments. I'll try to do it. If you are a Roblox YouTuber and you want me to rate your desk, you know, hit me up on Twitter, and my links are down in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Feels like a movie. Everybody's watching.